Social commerce. Social commerce refers to the practice of selling products or services directly within social media platforms. It involves leveraging social media channels as sales channels by integrating shopping features, such as product listings, checkout options, and payment processing, within the social media platform itself. Here are some key considerations for successful social commerce. 1. Social media platform selection. Choose the social media platforms that are most relevant to your target audience and align with your business objectives. Popular platforms for social commerce include Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Consider factors such as user demographics, engagement levels, and platform features when selecting the platforms for your social commerce strategy. 2. Social media profile optimization. Optimize your social media profiles to highlight your products or services. This may include creating a visually appealing profile, adding product descriptions, pricing, and links to your online store, and regularly updating your content with product updates, promotions, and engaging visuals. 3. Product listings and tagging. Create visually appealing product listings within your social media profiles. Use high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and relevant tags to make your products searchable and discoverable within the social media platform. Leverage features such as product tagging, where you can tag products in your posts or stories, allowing users to directly click on the products and make purchases. 4. Seamless checkout process. Offer a seamless and convenient checkout process within the social media platform itself. This may include integrating a secure and easy-to-use checkout system that allows users to add products to cart, enter shipping and payment information, and complete the purchase without leaving the social media platform. A frictionless checkout process can help reduce cart abandonment rates and improve conversion rates. 5. Payment processing and security. Ensure that your social commerce platform has robust payment processing and security measures in place to protect customer data and ensure secure transactions. Use trusted payment gateways, SSL encryption, and other security measures to safeguard customer information and build trust with your customers. 6. Social media advertising. Utilize social media advertising to promote your products and drive traffic to your social commerce platform. Social media advertising allows you to target specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, enabling you to reach potential customers who are more likely to be interested in your products or services. 7. Social media engagement and customer service. Engage with your social media followers and customers by responding to comments, messages, and reviews. Provide excellent customer service by promptly addressing inquiries, resolving issues, and building relationships with your customers. Social media platforms also offer features such as chatbots and messaging options that can enhance customer service and support. 8. Influencer partnerships. Consider partnering with influencers or brand ambassadors who have a significant following on social media to promote your products. Influencer marketing can help increase brand visibility, reach new audiences, and generate sales through their endorsements and recommendations. 9. Monitoring and analysis. Regularly monitor and analyze the performance of your social commerce efforts. Track key metrics such as sales, conversion rates, engagement, and customer feedback to gain insights and make data-driven decisions. Adjust your social commerce strategy based on the insights gained to continuously optimize your efforts. Social commerce can provide businesses with an additional channel to sell products or services and engage with customers directly within social media platforms. By following best practices such as selecting the right platforms, optimizing social media profiles, creating product listings, offering a seamless checkout process, ensuring payment processing and security, leveraging social media advertising, engaging with customers, considering influencer partnerships, and monitoring and analyzing performance, you can implement an effective social commerce strategy for your business. E-commerce analytics. E-commerce analytics refers to the practice of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data related to online sales, customer behavior, website performance, and other relevant metrics to gain insights and make data-driven decisions to optimize e-commerce performance. Here are some key aspects of e-commerce analytics. 1. Key performance indicators. KPIs identify and track key performance indicators that align with your business goals and objectives. Common e-commerce KPIs include sales revenue, conversion rate, average order value, AOV, customer lifetime value, CLTV, customer acquisition cost, CAC, cart abandonment rate, website traffic, bounce rate, and more. These KPIs can provide insights into the overall health and performance of your e-commerce business. 2. Data collection and tracking. Set up proper data collection and tracking mechanisms to capture relevant data from various sources, such as website analytics tools, example, Google Analytics, e-commerce platforms, example, Shopify, WooCommerce, payment gateways, customer relationship management, CRM, systems, and other relevant sources. Ensure that data is collected accurately and consistently to ensure reliable analysis. 3. Data analysis and visualization. Use data analysis techniques to process and analyze the collected data to identify trends, patterns, and insights. Data visualization tools can help in presenting complex data in a visual and understandable format, making it easier to interpret and derive actionable insights. Analyze data across different dimensions, such as time, customer segments, product categories, and marketing channels, to gain a comprehensive understanding of e-commerce performance. 4. Customer segmentation and profiling. Segment your customers based on various criteria, such as demographics, purchasing behavior, geographic location, and more. By understanding the characteristics and preferences of different customer segments, you can tailor your marketing strategies, product offerings, and customer experience to better meet their needs and preferences, leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. 5. A/B testing and experimentation. Conduct A/B testing or split testing to experiment with different strategies, tactics, and website elements to optimize performance. For example, you can test different website layouts, product descriptions, pricing strategies, and call to action (CTA) buttons to determine which variation performs better in terms of conversion rate, revenue, or other relevant metrics. Use data and insights from experiments to optimize your e-commerce strategies and tactics. 6. Mobile analytics. With the increasing prevalence of mobile commerce, it's crucial to track and analyze mobile-specific data. This includes understanding mobile website performance, mobile app performance, if applicable, mobile user behavior, and mobile purchasing patterns. Mobile analytics can provide insights into how customers interact with your e-commerce platform on mobile devices and help optimize the mobile shopping experience. 7. Marketing attribution. Understand the effectiveness of your marketing channels and campaigns in driving e-commerce sales. Implement marketing attribution models that allocate credit to different marketing channels or touchpoints along the customer journey. This can help you identify which marketing efforts are driving the most revenue and optimize your marketing budget and strategies accordingly. 8. Data-driven decision-making. Use the insights gained from e-commerce analytics to make data-driven decisions in areas such as product assortment, pricing, promotions, website optimization, marketing strategies, and customer experience. Continuously monitor and analyze data to identify areas for improvement and implement strategies to optimize e-commerce performance based on data-driven insights. 9. Reporting and communication. Develop regular reports and dashboards to communicate e-commerce performance to relevant stakeholders, such as executives, marketing teams, and other departments. Clear and concise reporting can help facilitate data-driven decision-making and align different teams towards common e-commerce goals. E-commerce analytics provides valuable insights into the performance of your online store, customer behavior, marketing effectiveness, and other critical aspects of your e-commerce business. By leveraging data, conducting analysis, and making data-driven decisions, you can optimize your e-commerce strategies, improve customer experience,